anybody out there that watch this video that got information or knowledge or whatever on what to do, you know, so even motorcycles, because eventually I am gonna swap the motor out. I don't know if I'm gonna go LS or conventional, I don't know just yet, but I do want something that gonna spin them tires, you know what I'm saying? And I'm coming out the pocket for all this, so hey, it's gonna be a slow process. You know, we're gonna make it to exactly what we want. I think for the first build, I'm gonna just go all original, you know what I'm saying, get it running, clean up everything, interior, all of that, and then after that, then we're gonna start step it up, you know what I'm saying, step it up to another level. So first thing first is getting it running, get it back to its original look, paint job, all that, and then we're gonna keep on making it over and making it over till we get it right. So like, share, subscribe, let's go. Okay, so I'm leaving AutoZone, right? Man, the battery is 2015, and he was like, man, ain't even no need, it ain't got a pulse on it, so I'm about to buy a new battery. Oh well, RIP to that one. All right, and we back, man. No luck, no love on that. So what we're gonna have to do is get another battery sometime this week. But what we still gonna do is change this ignition switch out. My homeboy's still coming over. He probably gonna bring a battery. Woo-de-woo. I was about to switch it from side post to top post. I don't think that even matter, but what we're gonna do now is change the ignition switch out. I'm gonna hit my homeboy up. He should still be pulling up. Damn, see what's going on with that. And we still gonna get this thing turned over today. We getting it cranked up today. Stay tuned. All right, first, I don't know how to take the steering wheel off, so what I'm gonna do is YouTube it. You already know YouTube tell you everything, bro. So I ain't gonna act like I know what I'm doing. So this is my first build, so hey, drop in the comments, let me know if y'all know anything that'll help me out, or anything that I'm probably gonna come across in the future. Drop it in the comments below. Shout out to 83 Rodeo. He got a video right here. Boom. So you step by step how to do it. So that's what we about to do. And once I watch this, then we're gonna start taking off this. That video, it helped out a little bit. I only looked at that one video. I ain't even went through another video, but I seen what I needed to see. And then I felt the steering wheel, and it got two bolts at the back right here. So let me show y'all. I think I might need to take this off this tripod for right now. There's two bolts right here on the back here. I don't know what. And see, being this garage is kind of dark too, so let's okay. Oh yeah, and one thing I did know, I will need this. Take this right here off. So I'm gonna get my socket wrench to get these two bolts right here off, and then this pad right here should come right on up out. So it should come around up out. All right, be right back. On the way, my man Jones about to pull up. I don't like to take any man back one letter K, but my hands full. My hands full. Anyway, all right. What size was this? 114. 4. All right, we got the one we got. I gotta get this smell up out of here. All right, I need a no, let's see right there. You don't want to lose no screws. You need to put them right back in. We kind of winging this thing too, man. Like I said, if you can take something apart, you can put it back together. gonna figure it out as we go. Look at that. 2 of these. So yeah, 2 of these. That's it. Let's see. Anything else, niggas? Holding this on. Oh, we got another one. Boom. There you go. It's 3 of them. Okay, boom. This must be the horn right here. This must be the horn right here. Cause you see the little sensor right here? I don't know. I seen, wow. It look like it's broke. Oh no, it ain't broke. I don't know. Supposed to be like that. I'll tell you this, if it is, then we'll just be getting it fixed. Cause I do want my horn, you know. I want everything to work on this car like it's supposed to. But yeah. And we know that goes right in there. Okay. All right, let me get y'all closer. All right, now we're about to use this right here. There's a something right here I think we gotta take off. I don't know if we're supposed to use this yet. I'm gonna open it. Need a screwdriver. Let's go get this screwdriver. I don't think we're using this yet. This goes under this, so we gotta get this right here off. It's going down. Had to get this right here up out of the had to get this bolt out of here first. That's a big ass motherfucking bolt. I'm gonna go to the other toolbox and get it. There you go. That's what we need right here. What's this? 13 by 16, 21 millimeter. This is what I'll be using. This still work. Whoa. Oh, I got it. I broke it. It worked. Man, got it up off of there.
I hope it was going to work. I hope it was going to be something. I hope I was going to win with her. Or she was going to win with me.
tell you the real. I don't know how to use this tool right here. I think I'm doing it right, but I don't want to break nothing. So, and I can't find a YouTube video on how to properly use this tool to pop the steering wheel off. So, what I do, I hit my cuzzo up, and he on his way over here in a little bit to, cause he got this same tool. He told me I ain't even had to buy one, but I didn't know you had one. But he on his way over here to show me how to use this thing, man, to pop this thing up off of here. Cause this ain't gonna be the first time I gotta pop it off. Cause once I get my my steering wheel that I'm gonna replace with this right here, you know what? I should already have went and bought one. Oh well, but you know, I gotta get a wood wheel. I might get the steering wheel to match the rims. You know how they go. They go in here, so I'm gonna have to do this again. So him coming to show me is good, cause I need to know. So one step at a time, one step at a time. I've been looking, I seen the ones on YouTube, I was like, dang.
Yeah, cause I'm gonna tell you, I did mine one time. I kind of forgot how to do this thing, but I know that I'm gonna have to. I might have to use just come off, right? It's definitely come off.
You just pull it right off, just slide right off. That little piece spinning.
Pull right off. Okay.
To how we got wanted it at. They're doing that metal.
Okay. Alright, let's see. And I know. Oh man, I might not fuck with y'all. My whole little tad bit bigger. I ain't gonna leave until we figure this thing out here. So here. Alright. Yeah, you know, I always go to the trusty, the trusty nation, you know.
See, when I went to, they had the same toolkit that you had set up.
Oh, they did?
Like put the 2 bolts in the little holes and get your wrench it, bam, bam, bam,
yeah.
All right out.
How long you been out here?
I came out here then 3 hours. Jones pulled up. She hit me up on the talk. So I was like, all right, man, pull up. And then she distracted me after that. I ain't gonna hold it. So she, after I got to that point, I couldn't twist it no more.
Right.
I was like, dang. Hey, Tay hit me talking about, hey man, I hit him up yesterday. I told him I was going to get that battery. I gotta buy a new battery. That battery yeah. So I gotta buy a new battery. He's like, all right, man, I'm gonna come over this.
Hello, everyone.
Crank it up.
Today,
He ain't made it over yet.
an excellent accessory
I called
for
him and picked the phone,
riders
so I
and
don't call, you know.
Gbody how to
Yeah, you asked me about
move your steering wheel.
you asked me about what we talked about. Yeah, I talked to him for about maybe 5 minutes. He said he was gonna come by and check the car, but he ain't never came by. That was it.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Brian here at Classic Gbody
one time,
and I am
all right, and then it's up to you.
I'm like you. I'm like you.
That's cool too.
Yeah.
member of the Classic Gbody Garage Facebook page.
Yep.
I'm on third shift now.
Make sure you click on that.
Huh?
Join the thousands of people that are already
You doing tonight? What the hell you doing up now for,
Alright
bro?
guys, well today is a
Oh, you about to go to sleep?
I'm gonna show you guys their Gbody. Yes, maybe some of you watching this video might say, yeah,
Oh, for you show.
it's easy, I've done that before, but however, I get so many messages through Facebook, through YouTube on how to do some bagel.
That's it.
I don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna go ahead and that was yours, just
For real?
general floor kit. You can probably get it at Harbor Freight or your
You requested third shift?
rental from your auto parts store. But this is my kit. Bear with me, my allergies are killing me today. But you had your pull-up cooler, the threaded shaft
So I was like, I
your
just Thursday, if I can still come out
steering
here
wheel like this
car
one.
when
In
I
order
get
to
off
get
work,
this,
or even if I want to.
ain't nobody pull that off. And of course, we have the wire, the horn contact wire that is attached to that. So in order to get that off, you're gonna go ahead and unplug it. All right, so the horn contact, the horn sound.
Mine pulled out right with it.
So now you have
It
this
did?
here. Now, in order to
Trying to take the horn off,
this
the little
wire,
thing just came
go
right
ahead
on.
and there is a plastic cylinder right here. You can see that. That goes inside the steering column. You just push it down, twist to the left, and it pulls out.
It probably already been
It has a
moved.
little
Yeah.
locking mechanism on it. It's almost like a socket on your light bulb. You just push it down, twist it, and it locks into place.
Oh, so you?
Where it locks into
She's
place.
saying the Cadillac converters. They took the Cadillac converter off
Now
it.
you're gonna have to remove
Oh yeah.
Yeah, when we had looked on the bottom, I see
so
it cut.
you
We
need
got the
one extra tool
pipe.
or a set of pliers.
Wired up.
A flat
tied
screwdriver.
up,
Yeah,
tied
Pop
in.
this clip off from here, so let me go
This
ahead
little
and
one
take care of
Right.
that. All right, the clip is removed.
Yeah, it's
Now,
still cranked though. That ain't got
next
nothing to
thing
do.
to do
It just be
is
loud. That's all it
this
is.
center bolt on here. So go ahead and get your socket and your extension, your ratchet. Get it on there. Go ahead and remove the bolt. Okay.
Right.
There you go. Loosen it up. All right. Just loosen that up there. And some may think that, hey, that bolt is off of there. There's nothing else holding that wheel on there. So give it a tug. Well, guess what? That wheel ain't going anywhere. Do not grab a hold of this wheel and pull it, because you're going to end up bending the ring on your wheel. The wheel is not going to come off, and that is why you need the puller. And the reason why the wheel does not come off of there when that bolt is removed, because the steering column is a tapered shaft. So once you tighten that nut on there, it is a self-tightening tapered shaft. All right, so that wheel is stuck on there. Some people grab a hold of the wheel and yank with all their might, and maybe it might come off, but like I said, you're gonna bend the wheel. Or they center there with the hammer, pulling on the wheel at the same time. Well, yeah, however, even though that might work, you're gonna, for one thing, mess up the steering shaft. You might mess up the threads, so the nut isn't gonna go back on. And then also, I know this isn't gonna show up on my camera because my camera's so shitty, but however, in order to make sure the wheel is on in the right position, as far as top dead center, as far as your alignment goes, yeah, how do you know that? Because this spline shaft, the steering shaft is splined, alright?
Yep.
And it's not an offset spline to go in the same position every time. So make sure your wheel is in the 12 o'clock position. There is a line on the steering shaft itself, and then there is a line at the top of the steering wheel. And it's almost like the timing marks in your timing chain. You line up the marks on the shaft and on the steering wheel.
Cause you see what you're talking about?
You know.
You see that line? You see that line right there?
Mm-hmm.
Does you see that line right there?
Mm-hmm.
They got the line up. You see how it line up?
Yep.
Your steering wheel is at the 12 o'clock position. All right, so next thing to do is get the puller on here. So when you have everything undone, you can see there are two holes on either side of the steering shaft. These are threaded holes, all right? So what you're gonna do is take the bolts in your kit and find out which bolts fit those holes, all right? 2 bolts, all right? So let me remove that. You're gonna take your puller. Now this puller has a flat side and a curved side. All right, the curved side is going to be facing down because you want the bolts to rest flat against the flat area. All right, so you can see how that fits in there. The bolt holes, you can see
That might be
on either side and the center. The steering shaft goes. So next thing you do, put your threaded rod in there. Get that all threaded in there. Alright, so once this is on there, you got it all threaded down. See that tab right there? That's going to sit right in the center itself. Right there, alright? So, once you have this all assembled, the next thing you do is run the bolts through your puller and down inside the steering wheel. Alright, now this is what we're looking like. We have the bolts run down inside the steering wheel. Now you're going to want to make sure that these bolts are threaded in equal length. And in order to find that out, you look on the side here and make sure your puller is as even as possible, because if these bolts are not in evenly, this puller is going to pull to one side. So make sure these bolts are run down as even as possible. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, you got your threaded shaft here. Go ahead and get that on the steering shaft. Snug it up. Make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, so now we're nice and tight. Next thing you do is grab your ratchet. Get it on the wheel like.
That's totally different than mine. Let me pull on another one.
Right now at Tractor Supply, we've got savings up to 30% off hunting equipment.
You know, I was thinking they probably make certain steering wheel pulls for certain cars, you know what I mean?
The concept is what had to hold this and pull this that way.
Yeah, so what it's doing is
What's up, y'all? We have us.
when you screwing this, when you screwing on this, it's gonna start pulling this off. You know what I'm saying? Because it's screwing, as it's screwing, this should be coming off, and that's why this right here, this to hold it in place. You know what I mean?
Customer needs it back. And it is about pulling a steering column. Hold on. Still. This has been off before, y'all. Do what it needs to
You had a ratchet over here?
Nope, I was using it right now.
This what you were using?
Yeah. I know I got one, but I got a whole little tool set that's the one piece missing.
That's it.
That's it.
Have no fear, cuz.
Ain't no candy paint.
Yeah, we ain't no candy paint. Not yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
I need one of them big boys right there.
All right, cuz let me see. That's what I do. Oh no. Yeah. Oh yeah. What'd you think, girl?
Yeah, it's about it.
I tell you, I got you. Tell you, I got you. I got you. Let's see. Let's see what now. Let's see what next. Next, yeah. That's what that thing. That's what that screw went all the way through. Oh. Okay, so. All right. I need to get a Phillip head. If you ain't got one, I think I may have. Spring in it.
Okay. Yeah, I got them sitting all the little pieces right there.
Alright, I just want to show you that.
steering shaft looks like. Once the steering wheel is off, you can see the splines right here. Those splines are not offset, so when you put the wheel back on, I mentioned there is a dimple at the top of the steering shaft, and then there's a dimple at the top of the steering wheel as well. But line those two up, and then you know your steering wheel is at the correct 12 o'clock position. Now, when you put the steering wheel back on, and you put the nut back on, just tighten it nice and tight. Get your horn wire back on, get your steering contact. Oh, and also Gbody Garage Facebook page, and I mentioned that the link is below in the description as well, guys. Alright, there is a Gbody how to remove your steering wheel. Until the next classic Gbody Garage video, keep those Gbodies rolling.
What year is this? 86? 85.
Here's a revelation for all you gentlemen past the age of 40 who want to recover a solid tool when she calls.
Alright, so right here, I'm getting ready to remove the horn button. And first I gotta remove that screw there, and the one in the middle, and then the one in the far end.
Where you at?
There's the button that came off.
So that tool I bought that with was
Yeah.
not to take the steering wheel.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Trying to figure out what Girl, you seen that video I sent you?
When you send it?
I sent it through a messenger.
On
Facebook.
Facebook? Okay, yeah, I ain't seen it. I don't even be on Facebook.
Oh, okay.
How you turn it? I don't even get no notifications.
Oh, alright, say no more. It was a Gbody like yo. Cause I'm gonna ask you and you probably ain't got one. And then you bring one. You got.
Just keep spinning that?
No. You ever went to the dentist before? They have a little sharp little pick to get the cavities out your teeth. That's what I'm talking about.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
What's up, man?
I'll call you back.
Yeah, that might work. Yeah. I was a little busy. Yeah, what's going on? I want to. Let me call you back. All right. So what I need, cuz is. So this a ring. I don't know if you can see that. You can see that ring right there. And once I remove that ring, all that stuff will pop up out of there. I gotta remove that ring. You ain't got. Shit, it'd be nice if you had a little hook on it. What you got? You got something? Let me see. I might can make it work, cuz. Let me see what you got over there. You got anything? Is this the only flathead screwdriver you got? Oh yeah, let me get both of these here. Trying to find where to open it. Is that it? Yeah, that's it right there. Okay.
Trying to get it to pop up.
Yeah. Trying to get it up out of there.
Hold it like.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, right there, good, right there. Let's see here. See if I can get that over. Yeah, I messed that up. I know you ain't got it. Yeah, you should have you ain't got no there you do fishing line, but you ain't got it in here no. Yeah, I'm gonna try to feed that fishing line around there and pulling on off there.
Got like a broken on that end.
Yeah, it's over here. See if I can just get it from here. Bring it up, man. Okay. God dang. That was some work there, boy. I try to tell you. Yeah, that's some work there, cuz.
That little ring.
Yeah, that little ring.
Okay. I see what it did now.
Yeah, it pushed it down where it exposed the ring.
Bam. Oh yeah, my bad. Not showing y'all how we finish this thing, man. Battery went dead. Don't worry, I'm still new to this vlogging, so we gonna get that together. We gotta get some new batteries, multiple batteries. Baby, we got the ignition in. Don't worry, the light about to disappear. Just so, boom, the key can come out. Okay, boom, and best believe y'all gonna see this thing crank up.
JPRE.